The Arizona Attorney General's Community Outreach and Education Division has been awarded a grant from the Governor's Office for Children, Youth, and Families to implement a statewide drug education and prevention program for parents called Guiding Good Choices. Guiding Good Choices was developed as an evidence-based program. It was designed to teach parents skills needed to prevent drug and alcohol abuse in their families. It seeks to improve family management and communication skills for parents. And finally, it provides parents with skills to unequivocally convey their disapproval of drug use to their own children. Staff members from Community Outreach have traveled across the state of Arizona to present the class.
So as we review this overhead, how does this session on involving everyone fit into the social development strategy?
In Window Rock, Arizona, one parent and educator who attended the classes spoke about the benefits of guiding good choices.
Our primary thing is to have student success. It's so important, but also within our philosophy with the Window Rock Unified School District, we have our core principles and our beliefs, and that's to develop an overall child who is well in mind, body, and spirit. And this fit right in, Guiding Good Choices. When we saw that, it covered topics such as refusal skills. How do we get our kids to say no? How do we get our kids to just get that courage to make a good choice in the face of peer pressure and in the face of, maybe they feel alone. Maybe they just don't have that guidance, and then also bringing up that other thing, because, at some point, when you're in a school district and when you work with families, you have to respect your community. You have to know more about them. And what Guiding Choices did for us, when we were working with the part about how families set up good communication with their kids, the skill building as far as chores go, family governance, that's a big skill.
During the classes, parents learn to teach their children valuable refusal skills when negative peer pressure is applied. They learn to ask questions, such as what activities would be taking place. If the activity is perceived as troubling, children learn to name the trouble. Further, they learn to identify the consequences of the activity. After identifying the consequences, they are encouraged to offer an alternative activity. And finally, they learn to sell the activity to their friends and leave the situation, but always leaving the door open for their peers to join them. In some cases, outreach staff provide a scaled-back presentation geared towards school-age children.
So if I'm wanting to go do something that Nick doesn't want to do, hey Nick, let's go skip school and go hang out, and we don't need any money or anything like that. What are we going to do?
The Guiding Good Choices curriculum, presented by the Arizona Attorney General's Office, is available free of charge to communities and schools throughout the state. To request a free workshop in your area, contact the Community Outreach Division of the Arizona Attorney General's Office or go online at www.azag.gov/good-choices.